Sailing here in Fiji is usually pretty idyllic, but as with any tropical cruising ground, there is a risk of squalls. Squalls are identified as big, high clouds with a flat bottom. Often you can see rain underneath. Generally, they bring a big wind increase and often a wind shift as well. You can see if a squall is going to be on our track by watching it as you would a ship. If you get a constant bearing, you're going to get under it, and you can also track them on radar as the rain will show up. To prepare for a squall, we like to have 2 people on deck. It's a good idea to have some wet weather gear to hand because it can get quite chilly with the wind increase and the rain. And the procedure on Skylark is to bear away, furl away the head sail, and just sit on a broad reach away from a jibe. It's important to keep an eye on the wind angle and not steer to a compass course. If you get a big wind shift, you want to be away from that. We haven't got any out here in Fiji, but here's one from earlier that we can show you what to do. This was while we were on our transatlantic last year. Okay, so we've got a squall coming up behind us now, just off to the right here. Wind started to get up and started to shift a little bit, and in advance of that we've already furled away the head sail. All we need to do now is run with it, sail deep downwind, keeping the wind just off the water so we don't have any risk of jibe. We're in the squall now. As you can tell, it's starting to rain. It's raining quite hard. The sea is flattening down a little bit with the wave action. Wind speed hasn't increased too much yet. We're up to about 30 knots and we haven't had a wind shift. So all we're doing now is watching the wind instrument, staying away from the jibe. With our head sail gone, we've only got half as much sail up as we had before, so it's making the boat very manageable, very easy to steer.